Have you ever been stung by a bee? That sharp, burning pain, the red, puffy swelling. Now imagine if that same venom could heal similar symptoms in your body. That's exactly what Apis mellifera does in homeopathy. Whether it's allergic rashes, burning, UTI, or even emotional jealousy, these tiny bee packs are powerful. Apis mellifera is made from honeybee venom. But through homeopathy dilution process, it became completely safe. Think of it like this. The bee's sting causes swelling and heat. So its remedy treats swelling and heat. It's nature's perfect like cures like example. Here's how to spot when you use it. Remember three words: burning, swelling, and no thirst. If someone has burning pain like a bee sting, puffy skin, or eyelids, and strangely does not feel thirsty despite a fever, that's classic apis. For example, a child eats strawberries, break out in hives but refuses water. Apis. A woman with cystitis who feel worse in hot bath. Apis again. The personality profile of a apis patient. These patients often act like a queen bee of their hives. Easy, controlling, and yes, a little jealous. Picture someone who can still sit clean obsessively and snaps if ignored. They might cry easily but hate being alone. Emotionally, they are like a bee trapped in a jar, agitated and desperate for space. Here's the golden rule. Apis loves cold. Cold drinks, cold air, cold compressors. These all bring relief. But if your patient craves heat or warm drinks, Apis is not that remedy. Also avoid it for slow, dull pains. Apis works for sharp, stinging pains that come on suddenly, just like the real bee attack. This is not a folk medicine. It's WHO recognized therapy with over 200 years of clinical use. I have seen children strawberry allergies vanish in 3 hours and burning UTI pain disappear by sunset. The key: matching those telltale signs: burning, swelling, and no thirst. So next time you see hot, swollen, thirstless symptoms, think, could this be apis? If this helped you, do three things: hit the like for the algorithm and share with the friends who need the natural remedies, and subscribe for more homeopathy deep dives.